Namaskar and welcome to Something's Cooking with M. For today's recipe, we will require some fish boiled in salt, turmeric, and pepper powder, some boiled potatoes, 2 onions, which will be thinly sliced, some green chilies. Here I've used some bird's eye chilies and dried red chilies, some ginger garlic paste. For that we add 9 to 10 cloves of garlic, pound it well, and add some 1 whole ginger. Add a pinch of salt to form a ginger garlic paste. Now to start with, first we need to debone our fish pieces. So here I have taken tuna fish because it has lesser number of bones. You can use other fishes like spearfish, or you can even use canned fish. Now carefully remove the bones from the fish and keep it aside. Now you need to finely mince it into smaller pieces. It's very easy because it's already boiled. So you can easily mince it into small pieces with your hand. Now while mincing, you might even find some small bones. Be careful to remove all of them because you don't want them in your fish cutlet. Now set it aside. Take a deep bottom pan, heat some oil and add in your onions to it. Now I have golden fried my onions because it gives a caramelized sweetness. If you don't want a golden fried one, you can leave it soft and translucent. Once they are nice golden brown, you can plate it onto a tissue and set it aside. Next we take the potatoes and going to mash them. Mash your potatoes into tiny lumps. Don't mash them too much that they turn creamy and smooth. Now finely chop your chilies, both the red chilies and the bird's eye chili. Now coming to the final step, heat a pan, add in the fried onion oil. Now you can add in your mashed potatoes and you need to cook them. You need to cook so that you remove all the moisture from it. Removing all the moisture is very important because when you fry your cutlets, if there is some amount of moisture, the oil will splatter. Also, that will break your cutlets. So, for the cutlet to remain as a whole, you need to remove all the moisture. Add in some salt to the mashed potatoes and then stir it around the pan and evenly mix it. Make a well in the center and add in the onion oil. To this, we add the pound ginger garlic paste. Now we need to fry the ginger garlic paste, saute it in the pan, and once it's fried, you can evenly mix it with the other mixture. Now add in your chopped green chilies and red dried chilies. Add in some pepper. Now we need to roast the chilies. Once they are roasted, you can add in your fish pieces. Mix all of them. Now we need to remove all the moisture. Once the moisture is removed, now you can add a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it into the mixture. Mix them all thoroughly. Now you can add your golden fried onions. Now mix them all thoroughly well. Make sure that everything is evenly incorporated. Once it's mixed, you can add in some lime juice for the tanginess, and again mix it. Make sure to remove all the moisture, and once the moisture has been removed, you can set it aside to cool. Now for coating the cutlet, you'll need 1 egg, add some milk, whisk it well. You'll need some breadcrumbs. To the breadcrumbs, you can add some chili powder, some turmeric powder and some salt. This red chili powder will give your fried cutlets a golden color. Once you mix them all well, now it's good to go. Now we take the cool cutlet to make the cutlet balls. You can make this cutlet of any shape which you desire. You can make it oval, or you can make it round in shape. Whatever shape it is, make sure that it is compact so that when you fry them, they don't break apart. So I have made a round, oval, one which is a heart shaped one. You have your own preferences and you can make it of your own choice. Then we can even make a patty out of it, which we can use as a burger stuffing. So take more amount of mixture and make it a round patty.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
Now let's coat our cutlets. For that, you take one piece, dip it in the egg wash, drip the excess egg wash if it's there. Now dip it in the breadcrumbs, then coat it evenly.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Now you can fry your cutlets in low to medium heat. You just have to fry the covering, so you don't have to keep it in the oil for a long time. Just put it in the oil, flip it, and it's ready to be plated. And if you like this video, please hit a like, share and subscribe to my channel for new amazing tasty recipes.